ISF requirements for pharma imports. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing Importer Security Filing (ISF) requirements specifically for the pharmaceutical industry. If you are involved in pharmaceutical imports or planning to start importing pharmaceutical products, this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. Before we get into the details of ISF for pharmaceuticals, let's quickly revisit what Importer Security Filing is. Importer Security Filing, also known as ISF or 10+2, is a requirement imposed by U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP). It requires importers to provide specific shipment information before goods are loaded onto a vessel destined to the United States. Now, let's talk about ISF requirements specifically for the pharmaceutical industry. Pharmaceutical imports are subject to the same ISF regulations as any other import. However, there are some additional considerations that pharmaceutical importers need to keep in mind. Firstly, importing pharmaceutical products often involves complex regulations, licensing requirements, and safety considerations. It is crucial for pharmaceutical importers to work with a customs broker who specializes in the pharmaceutical industry. A customs broker with expertise in the field will ensure that the ISF filing is accurate and compliant with all relevant regulations. Next, when filing the ISF for pharmaceutical products, it is essential to provide accurate and detailed information regarding the shipment. This includes the manufacturer details, product description, Harmonized System (HS) codes, and other relevant information. Since pharmaceutical products can vary in their composition, packaging, and purpose, it is crucial to provide specific and correct details to avoid any delays or penalties. The timing of ISF filing is another important consideration for pharmaceutical importers. Generally, ISF must be filed at least 24 hours before the vessel departs from the foreign port to the United States. However, it is advisable for pharmaceutical importers to file the ISF as early as possible to ensure smooth customs clearance and avoid any last-minute issues. It's worth noting that pharmaceutical products can be subject to additional regulatory requirements, such as the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) regulations. It is essential for pharmaceutical importers to familiarize themselves with all applicable regulations and ensure compliance with them. A customs broker specializing in pharmaceutical imports can provide valuable guidance in navigating these regulatory complexities. Lastly, let's touch on the topic of customs bonds. A customs bond is a financial guarantee required by CBP to ensure compliance with customs regulations and payment of duties and taxes. Pharmaceutical importers, like any other importers, may be required to obtain a customs bond. Working with a customs broker, they can help you determine the specific bond requirements based on your import volume and ensure that you meet all the necessary obligations. In conclusion, if you are involved in pharmaceutical imports, it is crucial to understand and comply with ISF requirements. Work with a customs broker who specializes in the pharmaceutical industry to ensure accurate and timely filing of the ISF. Provide detailed and specific information about your pharmaceutical products, and be aware of any additional regulatory requirements imposed by agencies like the FDA. Thank you for joining us today as we explored ISF requirements for pharmaceuticals. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. If you have any further questions or topics you would like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, stay informed and stay connected with global trade.